Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get emergency restart option on Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, whenever we click on the Windows Start menu icon and whenever we click this power button, we don't have any emergency restart option, just we have a restart option. So in order to get a emergency restart option on your Raspberry Windows computer, what you need to do is on your computer keyboard, just press Ctrl Alt and Delete, and now on your computer keyboard just press and hold the Control key and just click on this power button. Voila, now you can see here the emergency restart option. Now if you want to perform a emergency restart option, then just click on OK, and if you don't want, then you can just click on cancel. So by using this method, you can easily get emergency restart option on Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool hidden option, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.